Little Bahar loves to celebrate Nowruz, the first day of the spring, Persian New Year. She takes a shower, she puts on clean clothes, and she helps her mom to set up a table called haft scene. And she loves to fill that with 7 items that starts with the sound s in Persian language. Sabze, sprout. Sirke, vinegar. Sieb, apples. Sir, garlic. Samanu, it's a dessert made with wheat. Senjed, a sort of date. And sumac, 7 items starting with the sound s. She also loves to color the eggs, of course. Two weeks prior to Nowruz, Little Bahar, with her mom, they started growing seeds. Little Bahar loves that process because she can watch the growth of the seeds. She can see how they get longer and longer and longer every day. And she loves to get up every day and check out and see how much they grew. And when you put several seeds one by one beside one another, they create a beautiful full sprout that you can put on your haft-scene table, like the one that Little Bahar has on her table. 13 years after the New Year, Little Bahar helps her mom to put the table away, and with the family, they all go picnic by a river. Little Bahar loves that part of the celebration because she gets to throw the sprout in the river so the sprout can continue on living and growing. But she has to make sure that she removes the plate and she removes the ribbon, and then she throws the grass in the water because we do not want any garbage in our nature. Now it is your time to draw and share what items would you like to have on your haft-scene table.